going to take this orange to take a look at it under the microscope to see if there are any insects on the orange peel. So I'm going to cut a little piece off here, put it in the microscope and take a look. Piece here, place it under his, and we're gonna take a look at it, see what we get. Okay, what we got? What do we have here? I don't see anything. Oh, we have this right here. What is that? It's not an insect. I think that's just debris. Don't see anything so far. I see a lot of dust. Look like debris. There are some things on here that does have my attention. Like these 3 spots here. Let's take a look at that. Let's see if we have a bug. And nope, that's just dirt. Dirt. I don't see anything. I think they do a great job on washing the fruit when they bring them in the stores. I think they do a great job. You know, still wash your fruit. Stuff may be on it from the shipping and handling. You don't want to get sick. People go in and play with the fruit all the time, throwing them around, trying to pick the best one, and you never know what is on their hands. And next thing you know, you done picked the fruit up, peeled it, and now you have whatever. We're gonna take a look at that too. See if I can get that closer. What is that? Get a little closer. Whatever it is, it's not gonna affect the food. Got everything close on that. Let's bag out some. I think it's safe to say that this orange, or the package of orange that I did pick up, it's fairly clean. There's no insects, parasites, and all that stuff on it. Just your regular debris. Stuff that's gonna be washed off. So, wash your fruit and enjoy it, because there's nothing on them. Nothing on them. Okay, let's take a look at this before I say adios. Just some more dust, dirt. Okay, people. We're okay. Thanks for watching.